Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to clone yourself in Filmora 11. So basically, I will show you how to make like multiple versions of you in the same video. So now let's go for example first to open our Filmora program and then make sure guys, I hope you listen to me this time. So make sure to log into your account because they don't allow you to do a lot of stuff without logging in and getting your free trial. So log in and then go to new project after of course choosing the correct aspect ratio. So let's create a new project. Now let's drag a project. So I think it's gonna be something like that. And this is for an example for a project. So now what I'm going to do is basically let me just cut all right, let me just cut it from here, split, and I will control C and control V it, and I will probably add it in here. So for example, I will just go to this video, or let me just delete this clip first, and basically what I'm going to do is dragging this to the left a little bit, and yeah, something like that. And basically what I can do also is copy this, paste it, and add it behind it, and add it to the right. So as you can see now, there is two persons that are doing the same thing. So I cloned the video, as you can see. Oh my god, the audio was so loud. Sorry, guys. Anyway, um, so here, as you can see, they are both cloned and they are doing the same thing. So yeah, guys, that's how you can clone yourself in Filmora 11. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next video.